Hello everyone, this is Nathan from Nathan's DIY Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to diagnose a BMW m54, m52, m62 engine.
Okay, so there's only a few things on these older engines with these style lifters. So we're looking at roughly 2004 and earlier, all BMW, Mercedes. All these cars had these non-adjustable hydraulic lifters. These have a problem whenever the car gets run low on oil after the car's set for a while, and a lot of you guys doing the V8s with the timing chain guide problems, if the valves have crashed, a lot of times it'll run these. It'll actually run the little plunger in here. So this is a whole set of them from a 6-cylinder. How we're going to test these, and you could have just one bad one too. I've seen these go bad from a cold start. It'll actually sound like a rod knocking. The exact same noise. A lot of guys say, you know, my car's set for a few weeks or a few months or a year, started up and the engine was knocking. Well, a lot of times this will be stuck. I don't know if you can see this or not. Let me try to squeeze this thing down. You should be able to squeeze it and it will feel squishy. And also you can look at them too. They should all be the same level. And you can put up next to each other. It's hard to see on the camera. And you're going to be looking for all these are going to be up. If they're stuck down, you guys can't see that on the camera, but you can feel it with your finger. If they're stuck down, they're going to tap. So a lot of times if you have a car that's crashed the valves or has got some engine sludge problems, and you have it apart anyway, you want to take a look at that. A lot of times you can turn the camshaft so the lobe's facing down, and then you can see that there's play in there if that's stuck down. You're going to put a feeler gauge in between here and the camshaft lobe. You're going to be able to tell by that. So that'll sound like a rod knocking. There's a few other things that also sounds like a rod knocking, which is a rod knocking. If you run out of oil, that's always a possibility. A few other things can be a Vanos rattle. That's not as likely. I've also seen the disvalve make some pretty loud popping noises. That's probably the most common situation. Another common situation too is coil packs. I've seen coil packs go bad and they can make a loud ticking noise. Also, a lot of guys that have spark plugs that aren't tight, they could also make the same kind of noise. Also, a lot of you V8 guys, m62, m60, m62 TU, even n62, a lot of those startup noises are timing chain guides. If that's the case, you better get to it pretty quick. That's a very, let's say, terminal situation if you run until it breaks. So other than that, that's pretty much it. Before you change a motor out, go ahead and make 100% sure you need that. It could be something very simple. That's all for today's video, guys. Hopefully this might save a few of you guys from replacing an engine that doesn't need to be replaced. So if you like today's video, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Also come check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, Nathan's DIY Garage. Thank you.